My name is Adan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I am from Africa.
Sini aja tembak.
Baksonya 15, 19.
Empat 10.000. If it is good, I tell you it's good. If it is bad, not. This spicy. Very hot.
Dari Spanyol.
What is the name of this? Ini nama siapa?
Apa?
Nama ini siapa? Indonesia, an island of 17,000, is known for its food. From different island, we have different food. So today here I am at Pasar Lama, and I want to be exploring the kind of food that they have here. Welcome. Ensure you subscribe, like, we get inside and be testing different kind of food. So I decided to start with here, this place. What is the name of this? Apa itu apa nama?
Ini ayam filet dalamnya.
Ayam?
Ayam filet tanpa tulang.
Ayam pelet.
Ya. Ya.
What is it made of? You know English? No English. Berapa? 20. 120.
Ya, 120.
Okay. Give me satu. Okay? I want to test.
Rasanya bisa mix.
Okay.
Mau rasa apa?
What is the name again? Nama itu
Namanya silin juga. Silin-silinan.
Silis-silina.
Ya.
Silis-silina. Di mana?
Berapa?
Di mana? Di
Di Pasar Lama dekat Tugu Jam ya.
Jam. Okay. So we're gonna try this one. So you can give me one? Satu.
Satu rasanya di
Ya.
sini bisa dicampur atau
I pay with QRIS? QRIS?
Kuris bisa.
Bisa?
Ya, kuris bisa.
Okay. Saya mau satu.
Satu rasanya apa?
Iya. Rasa apa rasa? Oh, the flavor. Not spicy.
Oh, spicy.
Not spicy. So that's how he's making it. He's cutting everything into pieces. Now we're gonna try and see how it tastes. Not spicy, right?
Ya.
Or I just give him first.
Temita. Ada.
Or you can give me. Maybe. I give you cash, okay? Cash, not QRIS. I will
Biasa
not
aja.
cash. Okay.
Sebelah kiri. Kanan, Bu.
So this one is called Shalin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but it's a Taiwanese food. So we're gonna try and see how it tastes. This spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy. Why?
Silakan, kalau dapat ininya.
This is very good. Good. I like it. Okay.
Ya.
It's good.
Oke.
Yeah.
Oke.
Ayam ya ini? Ayam. Oh, this Caesar. Very spicy. So I don't want to be full because we'll be trying very different foods. So let me stop this one here, but I can just give it a egg. So as you can see, there are many different kind of food here. I cannot try the whole of it, but I will be trying some of it. So, but there is very many kind of different food. So people make here very different kind of food. So we have to choose which one to be testing, and the one that we should not be testing. I just show it in the camera, then we go ahead. They have very different kind of foods. Nowadays, because it's Saturday, the place is very busy today. So normally people from Tangerang come here during weekends. So I decided to come again to this place. What they are selling is called churros from what is it called? It's Espanol food. Nama ini siapa?
Namanya Anissa Lutfia. Anissa.
Kamu Anissa.
Iya.
Kamu makan apa? Nama makanan siapa?
Nama makanannya siapa? Oh, makanannya namanya churros.
Churros.
Iya.
Di mana?
Dari Spanyol.
Spanyol.
Iya.
I'm going to try. Berapa ini?
Seporsinya berapa? Satu porsinya 20.000, isinya 10.
Berapa?
Isinya 10, harganya 20.000.
10.
Iya.
Oke. Saya mau satu, oke?
Boleh.
Oke.
Mau rasa apa?
Flavor. Apa? 10? 20?
Mau rasa apa?
Saya apa? Flavor not spice. I don't know which one is this.
All sweet.
All sweet. Ini
Coklat.
coklat.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Matcha, strawberry, taro.
Okay. Maybe I can try with chocolate. Okay.
Ya, tadi
Okay. Sama-sama. I want to try this again. If it is good, I tell you it's good. If it is bad, not good. Okay.
Oke.
Maybe I can. This sweet, sugary, yeah.
Iya.
It's very sweet.
Iya.
Ini bagus.
Bagus.
Yeah. I'm told I'm supposed to put it in the chocolate and then eat. Chocolate is here. Very good. Bagus. Okay.
Thank you.
Ini nama siapa ini? No, just stop. Just don't. Ini nama siapa?
Ini sini aja tembak.
Nama siapa? Sate gurita? Sate gurita. It's made of what? This one is made of what? The language. What is it made of? Shrub. Seafood, yeah?
Ya.
Seafood. So it's shrub, right? Maybe you can record this one. So it has been very difficult for me to communicate with them, but this is what you can see. I don't know. This one is made of maybe shrub. It's seafood. So I don't know the name. We will see the name later. So we will see. Kamu tahu bahasa Arab? Bahasa Arab. Saya tahu bahasa Arab. Saya tahu bahasa Arab. Kamu tinggal enggak?
Bahasa Indonesia aja.
Bahasa Indonesia. Saya sedang belajar ya. Ya, maybe next time I speak bahasa Indonesia. Okay? Okay. Terima kasih ya. Thank you very much. So here is another one again. I don't know the name is written here. Ayam ma'en. So it's very smoky to stand here. But as you can see, I don't know. This one is a chicken legs ya. Chicken legs. Chicken. Kamu tahu bahasa Inggris? Bahasa Inggris.
Yeah, I can speak English.
What's your name?
Ilham.
Ilham.
Muhammad Ilham.
Muhammad Ilham. Okay, my name is Adan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I am from Africa. The Kenya. You know Kenya?
Yeah, I heard.
I'm from Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too.
Indonesia.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So what is the name of this thing?
Kepak madu.
Kapak madu.
Kepak madu.
But-
It's actually from Malaysia.
Oh, this one is from Malaysia.
Yeah, Malaysia.
But I can see it is written Ayam Mail.
Oh yeah, Ayamel is our brand. Kepak madu is the name of the food.
Oh, is the name of the food.
Yeah.
What is this? Pancake tradisional.
Pancake traditional.
Yes.
Can I see?
Hmm?
Saya mau
Mau
okay. Dari mana?
kenapa?
Dari mana?
Dari mana? Ini khasnya khas Karawang.
Ya.
Karawang.
Karawang.
Ya.
Oke. Nama itu siapa?
Serabi hijau.
Serabi hijau.
Yes.
Satu berapa?
Porsinya 30 bisa 2 rasa. Ada durian sama pandan.
Oke. Satu berapa?
Porsi 30.
30.
30.
30,000. 30. Satu 30. Oke.
Dibungkus.
Ya, saya full.
Kenyal.
Ya.
Oh.
Oke. Terima kasih ya. Oke. Thank you very much. So I decided to come again to this one. This one is called telur gulung. Is ayam, sampal ayam. Sampal ayam is simply, this one is about just chicken, I think. So we will ask them so that they can tell me. Ini apa? Telur gulung.
Ya.
Okay, telur gulung is made of what? Do you know English? Telur gulung is made of what? Is made of what? Is made of egg. Egg? Telur ya? Okay, how much is it? Berapa? 10.000. Tiga berapa? Tiga berapa? 5.000. Okay, give me three. Tiga. Ya. Okay. Sorry? Sauce ya, sauce. But not spicy, okay? Tidak spicy.
Oh, tidak.
Ya, tidak spicy. Okay. She give me like this, I don't know. Okay, no problem. Let me give her the money. Welcome. It's okay. I will try it here. It looks good. Very hot. Panas. This one is called telur gulung. This one is just made of egg or something like that. This one is egg actually. So, but it tastes good. I don't want to make myself full, so we go to next. I give this one maybe 8. 8? Let's go for this. Very good, bagus. Ini bagus ya. Terima kasih ya. So here I come again to the next point. This one is a corn. I don't know how they call it in here. What is the name of this? What? Janggong goreng. So this one is called janggong goreng. It's just a corn. Berapa? Ini berapa? Satu berapa?
15.000.
15.000.
Kenceng ngomongnya lagi di counter sama dia.
Ya, ya, ya. Berapa?
Temenang sih, ngomelan.
How much is it in English? How much? How much in English? English.
5.000.
5,000. You seem to be, you know English, ya?
Sedikit lah.
Yeah, you know English. You know English, bro. Yeah, I am buying this one.
Balado. Yang jangan pedes, Bang.
So the problem here is many people don't speak English, so it becomes difficult for me to communicate sometimes. So this one is called Bangbara. Bangbara is his name, but I don't know the name. The name he has already said. Oh, I don't remember the name, but this one is just. Okay, terima kasih ya. Thank you very much. So I got this one again. This is just a cone, but just the same. Maybe let me test it and see. Very soft, yeah. Very soft. It's good. I want to try, okay?
Oke, mau yang berapa? Ada ini ada harganya.
Satu berapa?
15.000 isi 6.
Four is 10,000. Saya mau satu. Satu berapa?
Yang 10.000.
10.000.
Isi 4.
4 10.000.
Campur
I
aja
could
isiannya.
I could have just buy one. One I test for the camera, okay? Not spicy, right? Not spicy. Okay. So we're gonna try again this one. That's how she makes it. So we're going to see. We don't know what it is made of, but we're going to see. Takoyaki is ini from Japan.
Iya.
Apa? Ayam.
Bukan. Seafood.
Seafood. Okay.
Daun bawangnya mau?
Ini spicy.
Apa
Sambal.
namanya?
Ini sambal.
Sayuran.
Sayuran.
Daun
Bagus?
bawang.
Bagus? Oke, enak. Oke. So that's how she's making it. This one is called takoyaki. Takoyaki. I think this is not my first time trying it, but we will see. We will see how it tastes. So. So that's how she's making it. We go to try, but ini halal ya, halal food, halal ya. Saya Muslim ya. Ya.
Saya juga Muslim.
Kamu Muslim ya. So let's wait for her to make, and then we go to the next point. So here is how it looks. From here you can see how it looks. So but we're going to see it.
Sehat selalu, lancar terus.
Sorry. So she said what she will make free for me to try. So we're going to try one and see how it's gonna taste. That's how she makes it. So she adds something up. What is that you add up? You know apa nama itu siapa?
Paus.
Istilah ini
Cakalang
ikan.
Katsuobushi.
Kasopusi. So you are kasopusi up. Good. Okay. Ini? I thought this one is I thought this one is a. Sorry? Lubut laut. It's called lubut laut. It's like green. It's called lubut laut. I can see. Okay. Halal. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. Thank you. So I'm going to test this and see how it tastes. I'm struggling with the sticks here. So I don't know how to hold these sticks. Bismillah. Very good, very good. Yeah, very good. This one is very good. Takoyaki is very good. What is the name of this? Ini nama siapa?
Apa?
Nama ini siapa?
Chicken stick
Chicken stick. Okay. Berapa satu berapa?
30.
30. So this one is about it is just chicken, but it is Korean. It's from Korea.
Huh?
From Korea. Korea. Yeah.
From
It's
Korea.
also spicy.
Spicy barbecue black pepper.
Oh, okay, I see. This is just chicken. It's treated spicy Korean BBQ chicken. So this one is very spicy. I will not going to try it. I will just go to the next one. But I've already said that I'm not going to try any food now. We'll just review the kind of food that they said. I don't know how they make it. So you add this one after you cook this one. No English. Indo.
Yeah.
Apa nama? Saya tidak tahu bahasa Inggris, bahasa Indonesia. Sedikit. So he is adding something like that. So actually he's cutting the chicken into pieces and then he put for you in the box like that. And then there's something here. Nama itu siapa? Ini. Nama ini siapa?
Chicken stick.
Ini.
Kuncis.
Kuncis.
Yeah.
He said this one is kuncis. I don't know if it is kuncis or something. But they add this one to the chicken. So we'll go to the next one again. Let's go to the next one. So we come to this one again. Ini nama siapa? Nama siapa ini?
Tahu baso.
What?
Tahu baso ini.
Tahu baso. Dari mana? Di Tangerang or?
Katanya sih viral di Bandung ya kalau nggak salah.
Oh, Bandung.
Ya,
Oh, from Bandung.
saya tahu.
Okay. This one is tahu baso. It's from Bandung. So I don't know. Satu berapa?
Seporsi 15.000 sih.
Lima berapa?
Isi 15.000.
15.000. Saya mau satu.
Iya, udah itu.
So, but I don't know what this one is. She's adding. Okay. Ini spicy? Spicy. Okay, we just try it and we'll see. Okay. Okay, terima kasih. Thank you very much. English? Yeah. Ini apa? What is the name? Tell him what's the name. What's takulu? Takulu.
Iya.
Okay, berapa saya? Satu berapa? 15. 15, 15,000. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 15,000.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya.
Kenya?
Yeah, you know Kenya?
Yeah, I know.
Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So far.
very far.
No.
You don't study. Okay. I study UMT. Okay. Thank you very much. Huh? Okay. This is the money. Maybe you can give me the change. Okay. Thank you very much. So I'm gonna try it. Okay. I'm gonna try it in front of you. Let me see how. I want to see how it tastes. Let me see. Let me see. So how we go? What is this? I eat just like this, like that. No, the whole of it is coming out. I know. So I just break it like that. Okay. I see. Very good. Yummy, yummy. It's yummy. It's like up is sugary, inside is fruit, right? Bagus ini. Baik ya. Ya. Thank you.
Boleh Kak, silakan Kak yang atas mari.
So I came again to this place. So this is ini bakso ya. Bakso.
Bakso bakar.
Nama
Sosis bakar.
sosis
Bakso bakar sama sosis bakar.
sosis bakar nama. Oke. Satu berapa?
Baksonya 15, sosis 10 ribuan.
Oh, this is sosis.
Yes.
Oh, this one is sosis.
Yes, sosis.
Ini bakso. Oh, sosis bakso. Okay. Sosis actually is the sauce, sausage, and the bakso is a bakso meatball, right? Meatball, right? So bakso is meatball, and then the sauce they have sausage. So this is you say this one is berapa ini?
Baksonya 15, 19.
15, 19. So sausage 15, bakso 19. So that's what he said. So thank you, terima kasih ya, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much.